Hello guys, I've tried the white label tropical citrus flavor, and today I'm actually going to try the Mountain Dew green label, and this one is green apple kiwi. And I'm a big fan of green apples, not so much kiwi. Never had it in a drink before, so why not try it? See how it goes. Alright guys, first reaction. Here we go. I approve. You know what this tastes like? This tastes like Jolly Rancher green apple. I don't really taste the kiwi too much. It's like a little aftertaste. But I'm satisfied with this Mountain Dew. Let's take a second swig for all time's sake. Definitely would rate this on the higher scale. Actually, I like it better than the tropical citrus flavor. Like, you know, when you first bite into a green apple, that's how it tastes. It's a really unique flavor. One last thing, green means go, so I give you the go ahead to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, please.